Jesus Christ was yet a child, he had a garden small and wild, wherein he cherished roses fair, and wove them into garlands there. Now once a summer time drew nigh, there came a troop of children by, and seeing roses on the tree, with shouts they plucked them merrily. Do you bind roses in your hair? They cried in scorn to Jesus there. The boy said humbly, take, I pray, oh, but then maketh thorns away. Then of the thorns they made a crown, and with raw fingers pressed it down, till on his forehead